Hi, I'm Brooke from Handmade Craftiness, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the mini journal from my kits. First you will need to print and cut out the templates. Next you will need to score the front cover along the lines shown, then fold and glue. To make our pages, you will need to fold them in half so the blank sides are together and the images are on the outside. Then you will need to fold the images back on themselves as shown. If done correctly, it will resemble an M shape. Repeat for all four. Glue the two middle sections together as shown. This will create a T shape and repeat for all. Glue the end piece to the beginning of the next one and repeat till they are all joined. Apply glue to the first and last pages and attach this to the back of the front cover, being careful to centre it. Allow this to dry fully before moving on. Gently fold in half, making sure to line up the corners and edges. To make our strap, you will need to cut these three pieces and attach as shown. Now it's time to add your ephemera. You can copy me or arrange it how you wish. Once decorated and filled, you may want to trim the strap as shown. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials and content.